Look at your screen time. Be honest. How many hours today? 3, 5, 7? You say you want discipline, but your phone controls your attention, and attention controls your life. Every notification steals focus. Every scroll steals time. Every swipe weakens your ability to sit in silence. You don't have a motivation problem. You have a distraction problem. Your brain is addicted to easy dopamine, quick videos, quick laughs, quick stimulation. But discipline requires boredom. It requires doing something important without constant entertainment. And you can't do that anymore. Why? Because your mind expects reward every 10 seconds. So when work feels slow, you quit. When studying feels hard, you check your phone. When training feels uncomfortable, you look for distraction. The phone isn't evil, but your lack of control is. Understand this clearly. If you can't control your screen, you can't control your life. Discipline starts with small control. Put the phone away for 1 hour. No music, no scrolling, no checking. Just focus. You'll feel restless, uncomfortable, bored. Good. That's your brain detoxing from overstimulation. The more you run from boredom, the weaker your focus becomes, and weak focus kills ambition. You say you don't have time, but you do. You just gave it to your screen, hours every week, hours every month, hours every year. Imagine if that time went to training, learning, building. Your life would look different. This isn't about deleting everything. It's about control. Use the phone. Don't let it use you, because discipline isn't built in comfort, and it's definitely not built in constant distraction. If you want strength, you must protect your attention, because what you focus on daily becomes your future.